get data. Now let's see how to get data from Excel workbook. Here you can see this is my Excel workbook business unit, okay, where I have data for cost center, name, headcount and ID. Okay, I have 4 columns and 3 rows. 3 data I have. Now try to get this data into our Power BI desktop so that we can create a reports. Go to get data. Here you can see all the options are available. Click on Excel workbook. It will take you to the file explorer where you need to select the particular Excel workbook file. I am selecting business unit. That's the Excel workbook we need. First it will load and ask you to select a sheet. Okay, in my workbook you can see I have only one sheet sample. If you have multiple sheet, you can include whatever the sheet you require. I am selecting this sample. You have 3 options: load, transform data and cancel. Now my data is already clean, so I am clicking on load. If it's not clean, you can click on transform data and perform some cleaning operation. Okay, we will be cover the transform data in separate video. Now simply I am loading that. Here you can see our sample table is loaded here. ID, headcount, name and cost center. Try to create one bar chart. For example, particular ID, what's the headcount. Okay, here you can see x-axis I am giving ID, y-axis I am giving headcount. Okay, you can see for 2 it's something 20 to 40 in between, 34. Okay, when you hover over, you can see the value. For ID2, the sum of headcount is 34. Like that, you will get the data from Excel workbook and create a report. Here, now we can see get data from text or CSV files. Click on get data. You have options text or CSV. Click on that. Already I have this CSV file. You can see all sales CSV files, that is comma separated values. Okay, I have available. I opened this in the notepad. All sales. Okay, here you can see all sales as a Microsoft Excel comma separated values file. Okay, now go to get data and text or CSV files. Click on this all sales. Now this all sales CSV file will be loaded here. Click on load. 10 rows loaded. Okay, now for your understanding I am creating one bar chart with sales ID and quantity. X-axis ID, y-axis quantity. Here you can see for the particular sales ID what is the quantity. Okay, this is how we can import the data from text or CSV files and create our required report. Here let's try to see how to get data from SQL database. Okay, click on get data more. Here I have data in my PostgreSQL database. Okay, click on that, connect. Whenever you have data in your database, always when you try to get a connection to your Power BI report, it will ask you the server and database name. Okay, for server name I have this, and for DB name, my DB name is NeonDB. According to your data, it may be vary. Data connectivity mode. Always for database, it's better to include the connectivity mode as direct query so that the size will be get reduced and the time also get reduced. Okay, and click on OK. Now it try to fetch my database and give me the tables which are available there. You can see order tables is available for me. This is the data. I tried to load that here. Now I got data from my SQL database. Now I can able to use the data and create a report here. This is how you can establish a connection to your database through get data option. For your understanding, I just creating one bar chart, order ID and amount. already for x-axis, amount for y-axis. Here you can see this is our sample visual. Okay, this is how you can get your data from. Let's see here how to get data from Power BI semantic models. Okay, here you can see in Power BI service I have already published a report. Okay, PL 300 practice questions part 18. Okay, in this case my workspace contains one dashboard, one report and semantic model. Semantic model is nothing but the model for your report. It contains the data set also. Okay, for this new report, okay, here you can see my Power BI desktop. For this new report I want to use the data set which is available in my Power BI service. Okay, you understand, right? Semantic model which is available in the Power BI service online. Okay, already I have created one report and published it in the Power BI service. From that I need to take the data set itself to my new report. Here I can create my new report by using the Power BI semantic models available in the PL 300 practice question part 18. Okay, once you click that, it will show the semantic model available for your account. You can see in here, this is my Power BI desktop logged in with my Microsoft account. Okay, if you have any work email, you can log into that. Okay, which account you have logged in, for that account in Power BI service what the semantic model is available, that will show here. Okay, for me this is the only semantic model available, so that I click on this and import this here and create a visual. Okay, this is how you can get data from Power BI semantic models. Now let's see how to get data from folder. Okay, this is the option get data. Click on this, click on more. Here many options are available. Okay, just for example I am clicking folder. It will ask you to give the folder path, or else you can click on browse, so that it will give you the folders available in your desktop. Okay, click on Power BI and data. I have JSON folder. I just try to get this JSON folder into my Power BI desktop. Okay, now the path is automatically loaded. Click on OK. Now you can see the folder info is present here. Okay, as it is, you can click on load, or else you can go to the transform data and try to select what the data you need, just the attributes or the content, whatever you need, you can go and do that. I am just here loading. This is how you can get data from your folder.